everybody, welcome our audience on our channel Learn Cooking. I'm very happy to prepare a nice video today. It's a very simple video and very simple recipe. How to prepare white rice. For beginners, I have 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water, salt and a piece of butter. First of all, you should wash the rice very well to prepare it and to be clean. You can try this recipe and you will find it so simple. In this pan, I put the oil, the salt, and a piece of butter. I mix them together. Next, after I melt the salt with butter in the water, you can eat beside it boiling chicken, boiling meat, fish, any kind, any stew you can eat beside it. I melt the salt and the butter in the water, then I add the rice. After I remove the water from the rice to be clean. As you can see, I add the rice. As you follow me, I put the rice now. I put it again on the fire until the rice absorbs the water and the butter. Then I make the fire low. Now the fire is high until the rice absorbs the water. After the rice absorbs the water, as you can see, I make the fire low now and stir the rice. Every 5 minutes I stir the rice until it becomes well done. Finished. The rice now is ready. Now you can eat this rice, and it's very simple. And as you can see, I hope you try doing this recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, activate the bell icon, support me with your opinion. Just it takes